Welcome, here I've got REALME GT Master Edition, and let me show you how to manage camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button to open camera settings, and now we have to pick composition. Here we get access to grids and guides, we can add them to photo or video, so let me start with photo. When we pick it, we get access to 3 types of grid lines. Let me start with standard grid, and now let's move back to camera. We have this type of lines now in the preview. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography. Another tap to right corner settings, to composition, to photo grids and guides, and let's move to diagonal lines. So the grid lines now have changed to this type of view. They are also useful when we want to make experiments with composition at our picture. Another tap to right corner settings, to composition, to photo grids and guides, and let's move to the last one, golden spiral. So for now, in viewfinder we get access to this type of spiral, and of course remember that all of these grid lines are not visible at the real photo. So when I take a picture and when I go to left button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can see them. So the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them or need another type, we have to move back to right corner settings, to composition, tap to photo grids and guides, and change it to whatever we need, or just turn them off. Let me show you also that when we pick video, we can add to it only standard grid. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.